A luxury ad, no problem. No shoot, no models. Entirely AI generated. Luxury production, redefined by AI.
Intense color, brilliant shine. This is Glow Divine.
So first what I had done is that my favorite trick that I'll share with you today is that I tell ChatGPT, and so this way here I have told ChatGPT and to generate some prompts as per the model shoot or the images that I require, and tell Google Gemini, which is a nano banana, and I'm going to tell them to generate my image. So it's generating the image. So they have generated, it's very gaudy and very traditional style. So I'm going to again use a different prompt and then do it. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, this one is very classy, but I want to remove the background filter, like background perfume that are placed. So I'm just gonna give a different prompt. Okay, let's just hold on. Oh wow. Again, this is nice, but I didn't want the red tint that was shown on her chin, so I'm going to change that again. Oh wow, this is lovely. I love this part. It's looking like real, isn't it? I mean, you don't even need real photo shoots anymore. You can just go on any AI platforms per se, not just Gemini or ChatGPT. This is my go-to platform, but you can use anything else, like Kling is very popular or anything. Oh, it is not a paid promotion too. It's just that I am sharing my thoughts and my opinion on these several platforms. So I'm just writing one step. Okay, I want some power poses too. So I'm just gonna tell these people to, I mean, literally I consider ChatGPT and Gemini as my colleague. I share all of my thoughts with them on my work, my ideas, and the way they give me comments like, oh wow, it's lovely, it's wonderful, it's such a strong posture or such a strong thumbnail, you know. I mean, it's just very I think I'm done with these pictures. Okay, I'm gonna add all of the pictures that I've uploaded in the end for your reference, how it turned out to be. So yeah, and I had created this illustration reel for a client and I showed them and they loved it. So I closed the deal with them. So yeah. Anyway, thanks a lot guys. See you in my next vlog, and hopefully I'm gonna get something more technical related to chemical industry. Bye bye.